My name is Roshan Sirohi and I have completed my BSc in Physics and I do belong to a non-coding background. Before joining AttainU, I was completing my graduation in Physics and I always wanted to go into a full stack web development and I always wished to learn it completely and build amazing websites. And as I was planning to learn full stack web development, so I went through lots of different websites on Google and I started comparing all of them with each other and which all features they are providing to us. So there I went to a news website and there I found lots of different features of the course, like 2 hours live session will be conducted daily, the doubt session will be conducted, and the projects will be also be conducted. Also, they are going to provide us with the monthly test and free mock interviews, which let us build a confidence to face the real interview. The part which I loved the most in AttainU's course is the project section and the evaluation section. In the project section, we have built few projects like front end project, back end project, and full stack project, where we have to build small projects, and with that project, we get a confidence like these all things we have learned, and we can implement all these things, and inner satisfaction and enthusiasm occurs over there. Like if I can build this project, so I can do it better more. So that was the amazing part of the course. My placement experience was quite good before I started giving the interviews. So there at that time I used to hesitate a little bit and I was not aware to how to face the interviews. After giving few of the mock interviews at AttainU, I started building a confidence and I got a brief idea of which type of questions might be asked at the interview. And most of the questions which were asked in the mock interviews were repeated in my actual interviews, and there how I cracked my main interview which I'm working now. In advice, and the best advice I can give to the current and the upcoming students are is like, don't hesitate to ask any question to the instructor or anyone at AttainU. Like if we don't understand a concept right now, so you can ask them to please repeat, or please take a session slow if you are not understanding all the concept at the same pace. Your pace might be slow, other pace might be high, but we all want to learn at equal stage, and we must grab the best of it, and we can ask doubt, and we must put our best, as well as we can ask the instructor to put their best. Sometimes we learn, and if we don't ask out, we stuck over there, and it leads to like problem in the future life. But we don't need to hesitate, and we can ask doubt at any point. And that's all about from my side. And thank you. Best of luck.